Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to unmute students in Google Classroom. To unmute students in Google Classroom so that they can post and comment again, first of all, launch open Google Classroom application, or you may also log into classroom.google.com on a web browser. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and select the class where you want to mute a student on. After opening up the class stream page, click on People at the bottom right corner. Now, you will see all of your students on the list. Select the student you want to unmute and tap the three dots right next to their name. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Unmute. In the pop-up, click Unmute once again, and then the following student will be unmuted from your stream. The student can post and comment on the class stream again. They can reply to classmates' posts, and they continue to have normal access to the assignments. So that's how you can easily unmute a student on Google Classroom in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.